So, hi, I'm Veerti. I've completed my UI UX course from HCL GUVI, understood UI UX from the real world perspective, and gave us lots of insights even then. So, the course that way was quite interesting. But after the course, I really understood how you can make applications in such a way that the user would want to use the application, the colors, the button placements, the alignment, how everything really matters. Even the smallest details really matters. HCL GUVI had a good reputation. It's affiliated with IIT Madras and IIT Ahmedabad. So the affiliations really helped me when I was selecting the place where I would do my course from. And one more thing was now everybody can see how coding has really faded out. AI has taken it over. But UI UX is such a thing that you need humans to connect. You need a person, like a real living human, to understand how some other human would react to the application, to the product. So that's where humans really are important. That's why I wanted to shift from coding to UI UX. And that's why I did the course. We had subjects like design thinking in IT. We had web designing, mobile application development. Basically, learning those coding languages was a part, but the end, like we had to make a project, and those projects required us to be more creative, more user based. Like the application that you're making has to be more user responsive. So that's where my UI UX would really be appreciated, because I would understand what element has to be placed where. So in the start of the class, I was the youngest in my class, so I would feel really confused. But sir made sure, like Mr. Shashikaran made sure that I understood everything. He would sit and explain things to me twice so that I understand, because I was the youngest in class. He wouldn't really mind it that way, and he really helped me with my projects. Like he, at that time, my creativity level was, I was developing it still. And during the course, we had a couple of other tutors also coming in, making sure that they reviewed the entire project, and then they would give me suggestions on what I could improve, like the color, the typography, or the alignment, or even the graphics that I could change, or why I had chosen to make that particular application as my project. All of that was checked by tutors from GUVI. So that way they made sure that I was working and I understood what was happening in class. After I finished the course, all of us, you would get multiple emails every single day to get internships, to get placements. I was not eligible age-wise to get those internships and placements, so I didn't apply for any of those. I used to get calls as well from the support team, but I told them that I'm not eligible right now, so I can't do it.